Hello, Kendall? Are you here? Where are you? What you want?
I want some answers, nerd. Are you an informant?
What did you say?
Don't give me that bullcrap, okay? Just tell me the truth. Are you part of the FBI?
That's not true. I never got anything to do with the FBI.
Liar. I overheard you talking to the FBI agent on the phone. I know everything.
Now, where's all of this coming from? Do you really think I'm an FBI informant? Huh? What you're saying is total nonsense.
Oh yeah? What about the botched break-in? Did you use that security camera app on your phone to spy on us in McLaren on behalf of Chuck?
Yes. I also got security cameras placed outside my house, and others are the same ones used by Chuck. And I captured all the footage to the police, especially the FBI.
Oh my God. I knew it. So you were part of the FBI all along. How the hell could you do this to us?
Eugene! I have already told you before!
Fine. Suit yourself. You stay away from McLaren and our mafia, or next time that bullet will go straight to your head.